Howdy, and welcome back to the Tex and Shades Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements 2025 Advent Calendar, Day 2. Very exciting. I got to thinking more about yesterday's because it's such an interesting fragrance. I was thinking that citrus was nice, but I wish it had more of a mulled cider in there. Some apples and some of those spices as well. I think that would have been fantastic mixed with that one. Just a thought though. But that for some reason that citrus kept making me think, I wish there was a little apple and a little more spice in there, like a mulled spice. I don't know what was doing it, but all day long yesterday after I shaved, I just kept thinking that, man, that'd be fantastic in it. All right, let's get to day 2. Look at my beautiful holiday display here for the calendar. And we're going to pop open day 2 very carefully. And there we go. All right. I guess they're all going to have red caps this year. Nice. Let's pull out the paper. Okay. Oh, I love the label on this one. All right, here we go. So, day 2, 2025 Advent Calendar. It is called Rum and Crumb. Love that bot on there. Let's look at the ingredients here on the splash. Denatured alcohol, rose hydrosol, essential and fragrance oil, glycerin, aloe, benzoin resin, static carrot zaps. That's funny. That is funny. All right, so let's get to the write-up. I'm going to hold it up here so you can scroll it up a little bit. All right. Rum and Crumb, scent profile, bay rum and carrot cake. I don't like carrot cake. Yeah, I know. Orange, nutmeg, spice, vanilla, and caramel. From the kitchen of Cube. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Rum carrot cake. Cube does like his rum and tequila, I'll tell you that. 2 cups of grated carrot, 1 cup dark rum, the good stuff, nutmeg, spice, vanilla, caramel drizzle. Bake until your home smells like something epic. Frost with sweet cream cheese and chase with a shave. Cube's Rum and Crumb is dessert with swagger. Who knew bay rum and carrot cake would dance so well together? I did. Sweet orange zest meets the spice rack. All doused in a droid shot of rum. It's half dessert, half aftershave, and entirely proof that Cube's kitchen experiments have gone off the rails in the best way possible. Maybe I'm going to get closer and closer to that mulled cider, huh? Let's see. I'm going to set that aside. Let's get a sniff of the soap. Just shoved it up to my nose. Ooh. Oh, definitely got some of that bay rum scent to it for sure. Let's get the splash going. Put a little bit of this on my wrist. There we go. Oh. Oh, wow. That smells wonderful. Ooh. Rum and Crumb, huh? Bay rum, carrot cake, which is orange, nutmeg, spice, vanilla, and caramel. That is beautiful. Oh, I am all over that one. All right. Let me get the lather going, and we'll come back. I can't speak. Let me get the lather going and my gear together, and we'll come back for the shave. Be right back. All right, we're back. Got the lather made, and what a beautiful, glorious. I'm using the Amber Aerolite from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. The bowl, I'm still looking for my travel scuttle, but I'm using a bowl I had made by Bobby Moffett at Sawdust Creations. I sent him a large bloodwood blank, and he turned me this beautiful bowl. And for the razor, I am using the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Monster Slant series, but I've mixed it up, and I've made the Krampus Slant. So I've got a little bit of the green and the red in there, beautiful Christmas colors. And man, I am all about this fragrance. I'm to the point where Douglas can put anything with his bay rum, and I'm going to love it. But let's get the glasses off and the face wet, and let's get the shave going so we can get to this aftershave. I was looking for my splash here, my water bottle. Have about 24 hours growth. And a beautiful lather going. Look at that. And the citrus in this is something else. Now, I still feel the need to work this in. I just miss working the lather on my face. And I may just use the bowls in the future just to load the brush so I can work it on my face. It just feels better to me. But that's my preference. Beautiful, beautiful, silky lather though. All right. Man, this smells good. Oh man, I am all about this one. Jeez. All right. How many advent calendars have there been? I was thinking about that the other day. I really don't know. I guess I should go look at the PAA archives or the PAA database. Man, this is delicious. Hope all of you that are participating in the Advent calendar are having as much fun as I am. And man, they made so many this year. They didn't sell out till Cyber Monday, which was awesome. There was like 2 left on Cyber Monday and they sold. But man, that's telling me that they got their numbers correct this year, which is awesome for Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, but that anyone that wanted one actually was able to get their hands on one, which was awesome as well. And those of you that did get one, I am looking forward to hearing your thoughts below on each day. Now, another thing I was noticing, I'm assuming if it doesn't say it's a from Shave Mist Past that it's a new one. I've never heard of this one or the one from yesterday, so I'm assuming it's new. So far it's been 2 for 2 on new. Excellent. Base wet, go for a second pass. Beautiful, beautiful. Lather feels so damn good. Darn good, sorry. Apologize. I'm just flinging it. All right. And across the grain with the Krampus razor. Beautiful. I may have to leave this way. I really like that color combination. Beautiful. All right. Perfect. Okay, let's get a rinse, come back up for the splash. Oh. Ooh. There's no woods in there, but I'm kind of getting a woody note. But we're going to come back up for a good douse of the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Man, that was a fantastic shave. Okay. Beautiful. Man, that smells good. All right. Rum and crumb. You know, last year they were the little square bottles. I think I like the square bottles better. Whew, yeah. Beautiful bay rum. As always, citrus is on top again, very similar to yesterday's. Oh, that is so good though. Oh, let me see here. So orange, nutmeg, spice, vanilla, and caramel. Not quite getting the vanilla and caramel. I'm assuming those darker notes are going to be a little bit more on the dry down. Definitely getting the orange, a little bit of the spice, the bay rum. Bay rum is kind of taken over by the citrus. Maybe it's just my nose these past few days. The citrus is just really screaming. Oh man, that is so good. I'm trying to find the rest of it. I am in love with this fragrance, actually. Okay, starting to change now. Oh man, I'm gonna have to let you know tomorrow. This is so good though. All right, guys, that is the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements 2025 Advent Day 2. So exciting. Every time I open one, I'm excited, but I'm also a little upset because it's one day closer to not having the calendar anymore. Each day is so much fun to just get that surprise behind that door. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Happy holidays.